Do you think there's a market for premium items on Etsy? Bruv. Yes. There is a huge market for premium items on Etsy. Let's go over to my little Mr. Producer setup here. Let's do table. Okay. Well, I mean, that's kind of a premium item, like £55 right there. Bro, look. Made to order. Big dining room table. Okay, they don't actually have any reviews on that item. £600 though. Okay, let's maybe just... Okay, let's go back over here. Fucking epoxy fucking lamps. Would you guys not class this as like premium? I'd say this is very premium. Spending £70 on a lamp, like that's actually cool as fuck. This is some kind of dumb shit that I would buy. You guys don't think that's the coolest fucking... I think it's cool as fuck. Anyways, there is a huge market for this, for furniture. I previously sold furniture. It's not a big focus of mine right now, but like if you look at this store, this is a furniture store pretty much, right? Gravina Leonardo, and they sell shit from Belgium. Look, bespoke tables, they've sold 162 tables. Some of them are £1,000. Let's have a look quickly. Custom made, they're all custom made shit, like big custom made stuff. So it's all thousands, especially including shipping. It's all thousands upon thousands. It's all custom made stuff. Yeah, it's all like contact them and then they'll make the listing. Yeah, it's all contact them and then they'll make the listing. But these are all thousands. These will all be thousands. The reason why it says unavailable is because they've made a listing just specifically for the customer and then they've deactivated the listing after. But yeah, there is a lot of stuff for high ticket stuff. That store's got 162,000 things on it. Average order value is probably over £1,000 for that. No, probably over 2,000, 1,500 even. Because tables and custom made tables are very expensive. Bro, probably even like 3-4K. Like, tables and furniture are so expensive. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.